Hey guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple and delicious corned beef and cabbage recipe. I already have a crockpot corned beef recipe on this channel. It is super old, one of my first videos. You might want to go back and check it out just for some fun. But today I'm going to show you how to make it if you don't have a crockpot, or if you're trying to make it a little bit quicker than kind of letting it go all day. This recipe overall, the corned beef only needs to cook for about 2 to 3 hours, and then you have the same delicious corned beef. It's awesome. You guys are going to love it. It's perfect for St. Patrick's Day. So let's get started on the best corned beef and cabbage recipe ever. We are melting down about half a stick of butter in our Dutch oven, stovetop, on about medium to high heat. Once that's melted down, you're going to go ahead and add in your corned beef. When your corned beef is in your Dutch oven, there's just a few other steps. With your corned beef usually comes a spice packet. You're going to open that up and just pour it in. And then you're going to add about a tablespoon of brown sugar. Just 2 other ingredients. I have an onion here, just a small white onion, kind of just roughly chopped up. We're going to spread that across the top like that. And then we're going to cover it in beer. Any beer will work. A Guinness works. I have a lager here. And just cover the entire thing in beer. Once it's covered in that beer and you have all your ingredients in, you're going to go ahead and cover it and bring it to a full boil. You're going to bring everything in there to a full boil and then take the heat all the way down to low. Then that's it. You let it simmer for about 2.5 to 3 hours depending on the size of your corned beef. After about 2.5 to 3 hours, you're going to go ahead and uncover it, smell that delicious aroma, and add in your cabbage. You're going to add your cabbage in over top, raise the heat, and then kick it back down low. You're going to cook your cabbage for about 15 minutes until it's soft over your corned beef. Then that's it. Once that cabbage is soft, you're going to go ahead and enjoy it. You're going to take that corned beef out, slice it up, add your cabbage, and do whatever else you want with it. I like mine with a little bit of mustard. Some people like horseradish. Some people like it plain. It's a really easy corned beef recipe, perfect for St. Patrick's Day. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every week. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time, guys. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Bye-bye.